How do you decide what to sew next? Do you leave it to chance? Do you dig through old magazines or scroll through your iPhone? Well, that's similar to me trying to figure out the next DIY tutorial. Kinda. Okay, if you win, short coat. If I win, sweatpants. Rematch. Okay, 3 balls, 3 options. Last one standing wins. Oh, fleece jacket? Okay, focus, people. We only have 3 options. 3. Heads, fleece jacket. Tails, short coat.
What about sweatpants?
If it lands on its side. Realistically, there's easier ways to do this, which is why I launched a Patreon, where I'll collect feedback and comments, and then I'll post polls for y'all to vote. And I also have some other perks, like I'll have my sewing patterns on A4 version, and I'll have some stuff around my new podcast, Just a Drizzle. Can we get some more ice cream? So if you want to help me choose the next DIY, come through. Look, enough is enough. I can't keep telling you this. We're not going to do this tutorial. Because no one's going to want to make ice cream pants. How's it look? That was a good idea. Haha. Okay, focus, people. We only have...
Michaela's looking at you.
No, she's ready. Well, she's staring at me too. Michaela, if you could like look down here or something, that would help.